Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, at one end A of a diameter AB of a circle of radius 5 cm, tangent XAY is drawn to the circle. The lengths of chord CD parallel to XY and at a distance 8 cm from A is, whether it is 4 cm, 5 cm, 8 cm or 6 cm. We have given a chord CD is drawn, which is parallel to XY and at a distance of 8 cm from A. As we know that tangent at any point of a circle at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius of that circle through the point of contact. So tangent made angle 90 degree, that is right angle triangle with at that point of contact. So angle OAY will be 90 degree. As sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. So angle OAY plus angle OED is 180 degree. As angle OAY is 90 degree, so angle OAD will be 180 degree minus 90 degree means 90 degree. We have given AE equals to 8 centimeters. This is given. Now in triangle OEC, by Pythagoras theorem, as this is right angle triangle, OC square equals to OE square plus EC square. So plus EC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So here EC square will be OC square minus OE square. So substituting values here, EC square will be 5 square minus 3 square, which is 25 minus 9 means 16. Taking square root on both the sides, we get EC equals to 4 centimeters. Now we have to find length CD. Since perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord, so CD will be twice of EC. CD equals to twice EC, as perpendicular from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So here it is 2 times so CD will be 2 times EC means 4, so it is 8 centimeters. Hence the length of the chord is 8 centimeters. From available options, we have option C as 8 centimeters.